Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about stuffed animals. Yep, I said stuffed animals that sell for a profit. I'm going to tell you where they got it, what they paid for it, and what it sold for. So in my Bolo Buddies Facebook group, I normally pull that up for you guys, but I didn't. Go over and join it. There's a link down in my link tree. It's completely free to join, and we talk about all things reselling with an emphasis on Bolo items to be on the lookout for. This particular video is talking about plush or stuffed animals. So I'm going to share with you things that people flipped for a profit that they picked up cheap and sold on the platforms. Most of these are on eBay, but there may be some other platforms as well. So we're going to start with the first one. It's a 2003 Thai Classic spotted leopard. And this is, I believe, one of the larger ones. Yep. This one's about 14 inches. So you've got the regular Beanie Babies that are the smaller ones. These are the bigger classic ones. And some of these can do very well. So if you see them in the wild, definitely look them up, especially the animals. People love animals. As you have mentioned, plush can definitely be long tail item. However, if you have the space, why not? I found this guy at the Goodwill somewhere for $3. It took almost 3 years to sell, but it sat just fine in the bin waiting for the right buyer. Sold for full asking price of $39.95. eBay store is Dieter's Attic. Yes. So as she is saying, some plush sell very quickly and some plush sit for a very long time. I have a tendency on eBay and the platforms to list on the higher end with the best offer option and to send out offers. If I was more competitive with my prices, the items may have sold quicker, which could be the situation going on here. She had it for $39.95. If she would have been in the $25 range, maybe this would have sold within the first year. I don't know. But let me know what you guys do on the platforms. How do you guys list things? Are you the highest or are you the lowest? Are you somewhere in the middle? Are you looking for the quick flip? Are you a race to the bottom person where you just want to be the lowest and move it the quickest? Let me know down in the comments. All right. Gingerbread Man Christmas plush holiday cookie stuffed toy. She said, I sold this pop gingerbread plush on Poshmark for $18. I paid $0 as I picked this out of the bags of plushies that got for free from Facebook group. I almost donated this plush because I didn't think that anyone would want to buy it. How funny of me to think that. I'm also surprised it sold right after Christmas. I'm Lulu's Thrift World on YouTube and Instagram. Thank you for sharing my bolo. Okay, you guys give her a follow. So it's one of those things where she's basically saying, I almost threw it away, right? Or not threw it away, donated it because she didn't think it had any value. But here it sold for $18. Now, is $18 a huge money bolo? No, but she got it free. And Poshmark is super easy to list on. And if you're cross posting, it's even quicker because you've already done the work and then you just cross post it onto the platform, right? So, yeah, 18 bucks. Not huge money, but unexpected, right? All right, Jellycat. We all know Jellycats are big money. If you want to know more Jellycats, I do have a video that is specifically on Jellycat, big money Jellycat. It is a little older, so you may you can check it out, but you may want to follow up on some of those high solds and see if they're still trending. Second big sale, Jellycat for me, bought for $3, sold in a month for $270 plus shipping. And it's one of the bunny rabbits, the bashful bunnies. This one is Pecan bunny. I don't know if that's its name or if they just think it looks that color or I don't know, but it's cute, right? I'm telling you, $270. Is that crazy? It's just crazy. All right, this one here is CVS 99, which is probably $19.99. Stuffin's Island of Misfit. Vintage Stuffin's Island of Misfit toy set sold at CVS years ago. I pick these up every time I find them with or without the paper tag and sell anywhere from 10 to 50. I think there are about 10 different ones in the set. Yeah, these do pretty well. I have sold, I sold the little elephant with the, polka dots, the Misfit elephant. So she sold this one for $24.99. This one is the Jellycat London I Am Christmas Jack Cat Tuxedo Kitty Santa Hat. Bought this, hold on. Sorry, here we go. Jellycat bought this for $1 at a local yard sale, sold on eBay for $67. Most of my Jellycat sells pretty quickly. My store is Palm Tree Thrift, flips on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Etsy. We've learned so much from your Bolo videos. Thank you so much for all you do to help your fellow resellers. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for sharing. I appreciate it. Palm Tree Thrift. So another jelly cat, guys. I've never seen this one. It is a cutie. That is cute. It's a little kitty cat. I don't know that I would have known that that was a cat without Google Lensing it. All right, let's look at the next one. This is a Feo Schwartz brown and white puppy. It says it's 10-inch. It looks so little, doesn't it? Isn't it funny how pictures can be deceiving? It looks like it would just fit in the palm of my hand. Paid $1 or less for this plush puppy dog at my local thrift store, where items like this range from 60 cents to $1 unless it's half off or a quarter sale. Not much bigger than a Beanie Baby. Okay, well, I guess it is small. I don't know. It has been listed quite a while, but finally sold for full asking price of $30. Pretty sure I learned about this brand on your channel. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for sharing. All right, we got another dog. You guys, the animals, the dogs. Oh my goodness. Get the dogs. IKEA. And IKEA, I have done pretty well with IKEA brand, even like the little puppets. And a lot of times the tags are cut off of the IKEA because it's like 20 feet long, the tag. So people cut them off. I don't know why the IKEA tags are so long, but they are. So a lot of times you have to identify these with Google Lens. And if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Bought this at the Salvation Army for $1.99. Took an offer for $35. All right, this next one here says Goodwill for $1.99. Took an offer of $60. It's Phil Lester, Dan and Phil Interactive Introverts Tour. So I don't know. I don't know if this is from a cartoon or a movie or a YouTube. I have no idea. Does anybody know? But it sold for $60. The next one is this Baby's First TV ABC Galaxy Gigs plush doll, blue, orange, Baby First. So I've been hearing about this Baby First. You guys, if you see Baby First TV, look these up. Paid $5 at a thrift store, sold in about 2 weeks for $80. Very cool, right? Love this next one. Terry cloth. If you don't know, pick up terry cloth. Is that what this is called? Now I'm like second guessing myself. They didn't put it in the title. Yeah, it's terry cloth, right? Why does that not sound right? Do you guys ever do that where you're like, I know what I'm thinking, but it still doesn't sound right. Do you ever say a word and you're like, no, that's not right? Yeah, terry cloth. I don't know. It just didn't sound right. You guys know what I'm talking about. You do that, right? You're like, no, that's not what it is. All right, it is terry cloth. All right, back to the video. Back to the video. Sorry, guys. Anyway, she said paid a quarter at a garage sale. Took about a month and a half to sell and sold it for $128. So snoozles. This one is a snoozles. Play School snoozles. But the pastel colors and the terry cloth. Look them up if you see them. All right, here's the next one. Five Nights Freddy. It's a plush. Cadet Candy plush. Picked up at a local Goodwill for $1.99 without camping since Weird sells well. Without camping. Maybe went out camping? I don't know. Had tags that were badly creased but still sold for full asking price. 100 plus buyer paid shipping. Retro resale $167 across all platforms. I sell mostly toys and of that mostly plush. Awesome. Yeah, plush is great. I love selling plush. This one is a vintage Hallmark Heartline Rosebud plush from 1988. We picked this Hallmark Piglet up the last day of an estate sale for a quarter. Listed for $125 and sold on eBay for a best offer of $110. Plush Palace and More is eBay store. The next one is this Lulu, My Cuddlin' Kitty Cat for Real Friends Interactive. Hi there, I picked this Lulu, My Cuddlin' Kitty White Cat for Real Friends Hasbro interactive toy for I believe $8 from my local thrift store. She said that her daughter is obsessed with cats and stole this out of her money pile over a year ago, which she didn't mind since she loved playing with it. She outgrew it, so I listed it. And within a few hours, it had 4 likes and on Mercari listing. Posted for $49.99 and took a best offer of $42.49 plus shipping. There you go, guys. All right, I got a couple of mine. The Scentsies. I do pretty good with Scentsies. What do you guys think? This one had its tags. I got it at a garage sale for $2 and I sold it for $36.40. Sometimes they have the scent pads in them, the little packets. And The next one I sold is this snake, and I did share this in another video because I thought it was so cool. It's a puppet. I think I had it listed too high. It took a while to sell, but I ended up selling it for $50, and I got it at a garage sale for 25 cents. So there you go. Play School 1991. It rattles. It's a rattlesnake plush. Isn't it cool? I thought it was worth 75 all day long, but I only got 50. So anyway, let's see. What are these listed at? 58, 52. So all right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Really mostly eBay on this one. There was a Mercari. Some items do sell better on Mercari, the other platforms. Plus, you can sell on Poshmark also. Whatnot now has Buy It Now marketplace where you can cross-post with List Perfectly. So if you're using List Perfectly, consider getting your items on Whatnot Buy It Now. Those items are showing up in Google. So Google search. So if you already have List Perfectly or a cross-posting service, Whatnot is fabulous. I do have referral links for Whatnot. If you want to become a buyer, you can get $15 to shop if you use that to join down below. There's also a seller's link if you want to sell on Whatnot, and there are perks for both. So check those out. More information down below. And then List Perfectly, if you're looking for a cross-posting service, I do have tutorials on all of this, how to sell on Whatnot, how to use List Perfectly to cross-post. So check out those tutorials, see if they're a good fit for you, and then come back and use the referral link so you get that extra perk. 30% off your first month of List Perfectly with coupon referral code bolobuddies and the link below. Let me know if you guys have any questions about selling on Whatnot. I love it. I think it's been close to 3 years now that I've been selling on there, and I do auction style, but I also sell on the Buy It Now. So you can do one or the other or both. It's completely up to you. A lot of people just sell auction style. They don't mess with the Buy It Now. But since List Perfectly added Whatnot, I'm like, yeah, I'm going to get my Buy It Now items over there. So I'm bringing over all my stuff from eBay. And I'm selling a lot of toys in the marketplace. Those things are selling like over the weekend when I'm not doing live shows. People are just making offers or just buying them outright, which is fabulous because it's all extra sales. So over the weekend, I may have, sales from 4 different platforms potentially. So anyway, more platforms, more eyes on your items. You guys can look into that, see if you have time for it, see if you want to increase to more platforms. If you just want to focus on one, you do whatever works for your business. Everybody has their own business model, their own business plan, and you just have to do what's best for you. I'm not here to tell you what's the right way or the wrong way. I'm just telling you what's working for me. All right, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.